Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today we have here a very exciting product, at least for me, and that is we have the Nothing Ear 1. Now bear in mind that this device here was launched in the US, I think it was also launched in Europe, but according to what I read online, Malaysia is the first country in Southeast Asia to actually receive this earbuds right here. So I'm definitely very excited to share with you my experience after using it for close to 2 weeks now. Alright guys, in terms of the pricing, we do not have pricing yet because it has not officially dropped here in Malaysia. It's coming really soon, although I don't know the actual date. But pricing wise, I'm hoping that because this is charged at $100 US, I'm really looking forward to see the price being about RM399. If nothing can do that, then I think that would be pretty impressive. Regardless of that, just wait for the product to drop in Malaysia officially. It'll be on the Shopee store and then we'll know the official price. Alright guys, enough of the price. Let's talk about how these earbuds feel, how they look like, and how does it really feel to own this device. Alright, let's start off very quickly with the box itself. The Nothing Ear 1 comes in this very interesting box here. The design is, I would say, pretty interesting compared to the kind of boxes that we see today. However, when you actually unbox it, what you do get is actually just a silver box inside, and it does look like a box, like a cake box, I would say, for this. But that doesn't really matter because what really matters is this Nothing Ear 1s instead. Alright, so upon unboxing this for the first time, I mean, I've seen videos on it online, on YouTube, but when I first saw this device for the first time, unboxing it from the box, I must say that I was really impressed with this design right here because it is just so unique. Now, what I mean by that is obviously you can see on this casing right here, it is somewhat transparent, not fully transparent, but it has this really industrial kind of look on these earbuds right here. So I definitely love the fact that it has this transparent parts all over, and you can also see the magnets here and there. And what's also worth mentioning here is that this case is also supporting wireless charging. So all of you out there who loves wireless charging, you can charge your Nothing earbuds wirelessly. Alright, so now as soon as you pop open the case itself, now it does come with a pretty solid hinge right here that snaps very nicely. So the magnets are all also visible on the case here, but as soon as you open the case itself, you're greeted with the two tiny earbuds inside. And by tiny, I mean that they're really very small. Now, apart from just being small, these earbuds are also approximately 4.7 grams, if I recall that correctly. So that means it's very lightweight as well. Now, the interesting thing about these earbuds when I first took it out from the case is also on how it looks. So if you notice on the stems here, it is also somewhat transparent, and I must say guys, this looks really cool. Alright, so I must also tell you this, if you're the kind of person who likes hype beast kind of stuff, well, I think you will really love this Nothing Ear 1 because they just look very similar, or maybe in the same kind of category. Okay, now done with the design, let's talk a little bit about how they sound. So I've been using it, like I mentioned earlier on, for about 2 weeks now, and honestly speaking, the sound on this Nothing Ear 1 actually sounds pretty good to me. Now, bear in mind that of course it's not going to be the best sounding earbuds out there. A lot of people are comparing it to the AirPods Pro, which honestly speaking is almost 3 times the price of this Nothing Ear 1. So I don't know, I personally do not own the AirPods Pro, so I can't really comment on that. But based on my personal listening experience, I'm really happy to say that this earbuds here comes with a very decent amount of punchy bass. The voice and the vocals are also very clear, so I was able to get some very good audio from this Nothing Ear 1. Bear in mind that there are also different sizes for the rubber tips that are provided in the box. So if you have like larger ears or smaller ears, you can always just switch them out to fit your personal self. Alright, so back to the audio. One thing that I did notice was that the Nothing app itself came with 4 different kind of equalizers, just 4. But if you're listening to music like myself, mostly on Spotify, just go into the settings there and you'll be able to uncover quite a comprehensive list of different presets, and you're also able to adjust the equalizer of the music coming from your phone. So at the end of the day, I was able to just just touch up all that and got the perfect sounding audio coming from this Nothing Ear 1. And I must say again, it does sound pretty good. Apart from that, I must also point out that the ANC, the transparency mode, also works very well. So I took this to the track for my runs and all that because I like to jog. And the ANC was able to block out the voices of those people around me. I also noticed that it was quite good at blocking out sounds from the city. But again, it's not going to be the strongest out there. It really depends on that fit into your ears. So again, very important point here, but ANC does work very well on this Nothing Ear 1. Apart from that, I should also mention very quickly on how they actually function. So on the back here, you can just tap or double tap to go into certain instructions, or there's a very smart one here which you can actually adjust the volume by just sliding up or down on the ear stem itself. So I think that's pretty cool here. I got used to the controls very quickly, just about few days of use, and I was just swiping here and there, tapping all the way. So that's pretty good in my opinion. Apart from that, the next thing that I want to talk about very quickly here is the mic quality on these earbuds right here. Now, I've taken a couple of calls with these wireless earbuds here, and honestly speaking, it's not the greatest. People on the other end of the call could definitely hear me very well, but they mentioned that it's not a very crisp kind of audio quality, so just bear that in mind. If you're going to be doing a lot of like meeting calls with your earbuds, I suggest maybe either you be in a quieter room or try something else out. But that's just in terms of the mic audio. Now moving on, let's talk very quickly about the battery life. So according to Nothing, these earbuds here will last up to 34 hours with the case itself, and if you're not using ANC. So obviously if you're going to be using ANC, it will drop that number down to 20 plus-ish kind of hours. But yeah, overall I was able to get some pretty long listening music time with the Nothing Ear 1, and no issues over there. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much what I want to share with you regarding this Nothing Ear 1. Again, I'm super excited for these to launch here in Malaysia. And again, if you're from Malaysia or if you're looking for something cool like this, don't forget to check out the links down in the description below. They'll be available, I think, in 1 or 2 weeks time. But yeah, you'll know when you know. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!